Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well, and a big warm welcome if you're new here. In this video I'm sharing 7 easy ways to make your boring, and this is said tongue-in-cheek of course, clothes look amazing instantly. What I mean by this is we probably spend most of our time in comfy, casual, run-around outfits that are just easy to just pop on, and I know I do. And they're usually made up of basics, you know, t-shirts, jeans, shirts, that kind of thing. These basics are, of course, wardrobe staples, and they are the best foundations of any wardrobe. And I'm definitely not saying that we shouldn't wear them. Of course not. It just depends how you wear them. Sometimes we may want to add a little spark to these basics to turn them into amazing instantly. For example, if you have, say, a classic white t-shirt, a classic pair of blue jeans, straight leg blue jeans, and a classic pair of simple shoes, that's great, but you could probably look more amazing if you swapped out, say, the shoes, let's say for something a little bit more interesting or a little bit more varied. So I'm going to start straight away with my first suggestion to make boring clothes into something amazing instantly. And the first one is basics with unexpected details. Add one elevated piece. Now I do love this in my look one, this crisp white cotton t-shirt, and it is actually one of my favorite staple pieces. But I'm just illustrating that the outfit needs something to bring it to life. As you can see, I've paired this t-shirt with a simple pair of light wash blue mom jeans, a little bit looser in the leg, and a simple pair of beige loafers. Comfy, easy, but I think you could probably agree I could do better. So I'm taking this basic outfit and voila. So here you can see I've swapped out the white shirt for this stunning organic cotton white blouse from Nobody's Child. So what I'm trying to say is it's all about the unexpected details. So in this blouse, it's got unexpected details. It totally elevates a classic white cotton t-shirt. So it just takes it up a notch. This one has bohemian vibes, but not so much that you couldn't dress it up. It's dreamily soft and it's really forgiving around the torso as well. And it's so pretty. It's got those blouse on sleeves, little embossed Dobie print on the shirt, scallop trims, gorgeous detailing also on the sleeve and the little tiny buttons. It has this tie up as well, which you can see here, which means that it can sit as loose or as tight as you want, just on your waist, and you don't need to tuck it at all. So just swapping out that plain white t-shirt for this blouse means that the whole jeans, loafers and shirt look is elevated into something pretty special, even though it's still perfect for every day. Now, any piece with unexpected detailing, perhaps asymmetrical, pretty buttons, or even a little lace insert or something like that on the shoulder, that kind of thing would achieve this look. Now, one thing I think I need to mention at this point is not to push yourself out of your comfort zone. So if, for example, you don't like Dobie cotton blouses like this one, don't feel that this is the only answer. What I'm showing you here is a technique which you can adapt to what you feel happy with and what you may already have in your wardrobe that you feel comfortable in and which you can just wear a little bit differently. And there's lots of ways of making boring clothes look amazing, including my next point, which is add texture. So adding a different texture or a different material to an outfit, to your basic outfit, can really transform it. For example, in this look, I've started with the same mom jeans and this white cotton t-shirt from Jigsaw, which is another total wardrobe classic actually, and it's a great shape. Now, both items are made from cotton. They look fine together. In fact, the t-shirt's really nice because it's got that lovely little detailing on the sleeve. But they're cotton, the texture's pretty samey. So I want to show you how I've transformed this look. I've now added a cropped jacket in cream coloured tweed material. It's beautiful and it's a gorgeous crop jacket from Mango, which is really versatile as well. But what I wanted to show you is the difference that adding a different texture makes to an outfit, any texture. It just elevates it completely. So as the buttons you can see here are silver and quite chunky, I've teamed a chunky silver necklace with it too, just to echo that. And this adds even more texture. Obviously it adds the metallic into it. And it's light and a lifting effect near the face. This is a bit more dressed up, of course, not so much of a runaround outfit, but what I'm saying here is that a different texture elevates an outfit so that it could be the type of bag you carry or a silk scarf or shiny shoes, whatever you feel happy with, but just something that's a different texture. So for my next suggestion, number 3 is create shape. Clothes that are sort of shapeless and just kind of droop off us generally go into the boring category, and we can really do something to improve this. If you have more shape in your outfit, it also improves the look of your figure as well. If you have a favorite t-shirt or a blouse that's a little bit on the floppy side, why not try something like these? I don't know if you can see them there. Shoulder pads. Okay, there are 2 in the pack. These are absolutely perfect for just popping. They stick literally onto the skin of the shoulder and just popping underneath anything. They're made from silicone and they're cheap, they're invisible, and you just pop them and stick them onto your shoulder. I want you to see here me with the t-shirt on, without the shoulder pads, and also with them. Now, I've got to be honest with you, I'm a bit of an inverted triangle, so my shoulders are quite broad and quite structured, and I don't generally go down there, but you can see that even then, they do make quite a difference. And of course, you can see that my last outfit, also the one with the jacket, showed the difference that structure in the outfit can make with that beautiful crop jacket. So of course, adding structure to the shoulders is particularly flattering if you're a pear-shaped, as it puts in width at the top and the emphasis on your shoulders rather than on your hips and thighs. And the same would apply also if you're apple-shaped too, because the eye would go up to the shoulders, taking it away from your tummy area. Crop jacket like this is also brilliant if you're a little on the short side too. It makes the legs look much longer, and I actually created a video about how to make your legs look longer and have longer legs. No, not have longer legs, make your legs look longer. That you might like to go and have a look at after this video. I will link it here and down in the video description below. So my point 4 is add contrast with a pop of colour or a pattern. But actually, just before I do that, I just wanted to say, if you are enjoying this video, ladies, and I really hope you are, please could you give it a like, a thumbs up underneath this video, because that gives me an indication of the videos that you really like, and I can make more of them. And if you are new here, a big welcome, and please do subscribe, because I produce videos every week and shorts as well in the middle of the week, all about do's and don'ts of styling, what works and what doesn't work for all sorts of different shapes and heights. And if you subscribe, it helps to keep the channel going. So back to styling with my point 4, add contrast with a pop of colour or a pattern. There's nothing quite like a pop of colour to brighten up an outfit, is there? And even if you're a neutrals girl, a pop of colour can really add to your outfit. So I want to show you this outfit here. So I've started with the basic outfit of the white t-shirt, just proving what a wardrobe staple it is, and a brilliant foundation piece it is actually, of course, and a mid-blue denim skirt. Now this is a real classic look. This is really on trend as well at the moment. I find my denim skirt is really practical, but do make sure that you have a slit somewhere in it so that you can walk. I prefer mine because it has a slit at the back. Otherwise, a lot of them have got slits in the front actually, so I feel a little bit self-conscious about that, but this is a really good one. But as you can see, I could elevate this look because it's a little plain. So here I've added a pop of colour with the orange mules and the orange bag. Now the mules are really reasonably priced. They're from Marks & Spencer's. They're leather and they're wide fit, so they're really comfortable, which is always good when you're wearing mules and sandals. I've chosen orange as my pop of colour because I love this sort of tangerine. It just really gives me great tropical vibes. But of course it depends on the colour you love and what suits your skin colouring and your skin tone, and also what you have in the wardrobe too. Now whatever you choose, this is the sort of look which can take you from spring into summer and early autumn as well. But you can see the big difference that adding a little element of colour can make to an outfit. You can also add a pop of colour in a contrasting way as well, as in this look here. So I've teamed a blue linen shirt, this is an old linen shirt, with some light wash jeans for a fairly monochrome look. And I've added the orange mules in the bag as a contrast. So this is a great little trick actually, to add colour on the opposite ends of the colour spectrum, to add a dynamic feel to your look. So combinations like this, the blue and orange, things like purple and yellow, they're on the opposite ends of the spectrum as well. And these contrasting colours only need to be small touches, like a bag or a piece of jewellery, Which brings me to my next styling tip, which is add accessories and jewellery. I think everyone talks about adding jewellery to elevate an outfit, and it can certainly work really well. As you can see from my previous outfit, how I styled that, it really adds interest, and it's a really easy way to do it as well. But you don't need to go for massive statement jewellery. You can also elevate your look just with a simple pair of earrings, pair of hoop earrings, or ones like these ones that I've got, which is a variation on the hoop earrings. It can really just elevate your look to have your ears adorned, because when people look at you in the street or a cafe or wherever you're going to meet them, the first thing they look at is your face, and actually the piece of jewellery that they see are earrings. And it's not just jewellery either, of course. Accessories as well are really important for elevating and uplifting an outfit in an easy way, as in this look here. So bags are a really easy way to change your look very easily, such as this natural straw and tan basket, which is not just very practical as it's got loads of room and a drawstring, but it also looks really stylish at the same time. Very similar to the Loewe, but it isn't. It's Marks and Spencer's. Sunglasses are one of my favourite ways to uplift an outfit as well, and these ones are my newest buy, less than £10. And shoes, of course. These ones are pretty standout shoes for me, and I think they really ramp up this simple outfit. So my sixth styling tip is add different lengths and a third layer. So obviously adding any form of third layer, whether it be a jacket or a cardigan or a coat or even just an overshirt, it always adds more polish and looks much more put together as an outfit. But it doesn't have to make the outfit look more formal or add a layer that's too hot. So here you can see the effect of a long line cardigan. It's really lightweight, which I've added to my basic outfit of a t-shirt and jeans. It's really flattering as well. It's this beautiful soft tonal outfit, which is a real spring vibe with the pretty delphinium blue colour. And it also has the effect of elongating the look of the figure due to the long line cardigan. The jeans are not too loose either. They're not too tight, not too loose. They're just a straight leg. So they don't overwhelm the bottom of the leg with too much bulk, even with the long cardigan. And this look is great for many body shapes. And it's also a really good run around outfit. You can see me in this, in reality, lots in the spring and summer. So lastly, I just want to touch on a few really simple tweaks that can make a real huge difference and turn an outfit from sort of potentially a bit dull to potentially cool. So my number 7 is little tweaks. So my first little tweak, which is a big favourite of mine actually, is push up the sleeves of your jacket or blazer or cardigan. And I think this has the effect of transforming your look into something much more cool and modern as well. Also lightens the overall bulkiness of your outfit too. So if you're wearing loose fit trousers, for example, you can get away with them and a fairly roomy blazer too if you push up your sleeves. So the reason why this works is that it shows off some skin, which is at one of the slimmest parts of your body, which creates the illusion of slimness around your wrist, regardless of what else is going on in the outfit. Another little tweak that I'm very partial to is popping the collars of your shirt, particularly if you have a lovely crisp cotton one. It works really well. And tucking in your shirts in different ways into your trousers or jeans or skirt, or leaving it completely untucked, can really alter the whole look of an outfit. I did create a short very recently, which I will link under the video if you'd like to have a look at that, different ways of half tucking. So I hope this has really helped, ladies, and given you a little bit of inspiration for a few tweaks you might like to make. So all the links to the items that I've been wearing are in the video description below if you scroll down. And I hope you have a really lovely week. I hope you have an amazing day and a lovely week as well. And please do drop some comments in the video description. No, underneath the video description in the comments box underneath here, because we have a wonderful community and we love to communicate with each other and give each other little tips. So lots of love, ladies, and I'll see you really, really soon for the big video and some shorts. Lots of love. Bye.